Hello everyone, it is your favorite broker, Danielle Thompson, owner of Tri-Sirocco Investments Inc. And I am here to bring you another Wednesday tip. This time I'm bringing it from the state of New Jersey. I'm in Hackensack, New Jersey right now. So today's tip will be about requests for repairs, and this goes in conjunction with the general inspection. Now, once you get into escrow, that means you have gotten your offer accepted, you have submitted your earnest money deposit, also known as EMD, and you should be conducting your general inspection within that first week of the acceptance so that you can do your request for repairs. You want to do your inspection as soon as possible so that you can get your request for repairs, because this is going to be the second time during the escrow transaction that you can negotiate. Now, what is a request for repairs, you ask? A request for repairs is when you have the general inspection and you and your broker or realtor go through the report and you look for things that are not necessarily cosmetic, more of a safety and habitable issues that you need the seller to tend to before close of escrow. So if you see like paint and things like that may be chipping, that's not too bad. That's not something that you want to worry about. But if there's a broken window, or if there is some plumbing issues, some foundation issues, electrical issues, things that are major, even things that you think you can't handle or can't take on yourself, you want to write that in your request for repairs. Now, what every realtor and broker should be telling you when you get to this part of the transaction is you don't want to go haywire. If you have a long list of requests for repairs, you are going to scare off the seller, and maybe the deal could end because they're like, wait, this is too much. You want to keep it basic and of things that you really need. And then this is where you again negotiate with the seller, and keep in mind the seller has three options. The seller, or maybe four, they can just not respond, they can reject it, they can repair it, or they can offer a credit. In this case, just be prepared for that. Most of the time the sellers are gonna respond, okay? They may give you a credit for everything, and you just have to take that. And remember, when you get a credit, this isn't cash in your hands. This is called, it goes towards your closing costs. This will go in what's called an addendum, and this is an addendum to the contract stating that the seller will credit the buyer X amount of money towards the buyer's recurring / non-recurring closing costs. Okay, so then at the close of escrow, those funds will go towards your closing costs, and any overages or extras, then once the transaction is closed out, you could possibly receive a check at the end. So again, when you're doing your request for repairs, this is the second time you will be able to negotiate, because the first time is when you get your offer accepted, right? And then the request for repairs is the second time. And I'll tell you in another video the 3 times that you have to negotiate. Right now, I'm going to stop right there, and I hope you found this information valuable and you can share it. Again, if you are looking to sell or buy in San Diego, California, I am here to help, and I'm happy to answer any of your questions. I look forward to helping you guys soon. Take care.